Stay tuned to see how this sponge roller set turned out. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be doing a roller set, but I'm not going to be using perm rods, I'm not going to be using flexi rods. I'm going to be using sponge rollers. So I purchased these at my local Dollar Tree. They come 8 in a pack. So I have 4 packs, so I have 32 total. Not sure how many I'm going to be using in my hair today. So for styling, I will be using my Nature's Little Secret products. I will leave all the information for these products in the description box, as well as my discount code where you can save some money. So I've already went ahead and applied my leave-in conditioner, and for my leave-in today, I'm using the Avocado Moisture Cream made with avocado oil and butter. This stuff is amazing. Today I am using it as a leave-in, but I have done a one styler twist out using this one product, and I'll leave that in the cards above where you can check that out. So I've applied this throughout my hair, detangled my hair, and then twisted it up in sections for styling. So for styling, I am going to be using the Flaxseed Curly Custard, and I am excited to use this. I have used this before, but it was the old formula, so I'm definitely excited to try this new one. So let's get started. So in case you are wondering where that color is coming from on my scalp and on my fingernails, I will link that video in the cards above. So I'm on the last section, and this has taken a whole lot longer than I thought. But like the saying goes, you get what you pay for. Bought these rollers from the Dollar Tree for $1, and I got $1 worth. So I'm gonna do this last section. Again, I'm going in with the Nature's Little Secret Flaxseed Curly Custard. And this stuff has some amazing slip. So I think I'm gonna do a wash and go with this next time. So I'm just combing it through to make sure that my hair is detangled. This last roller. So I'm taking it to the end, wrapping my hair around, making sure that it's smooth on the roller, swirling it around a few times, and then rolling all the way up. And of course, this part has come loose as it has done with all the rest of them. So I'm just going to attach it back. And that's it. So yeah, this is definitely a one-use type of situation because I don't think it'll get its shape back, but we shall see. So all the rollers are out. I'm going to use a little bit of oil on my hands to stretch the curls before separating. So far, so good. So I'm gonna keep separating and I'm gonna fluff off camera and I'll be back for the final results. So stay tuned. Okay, I just had to come back and show you guys what we are looking like so far. And honey, these little dollar store sponge rollers are the real deal. And of course, it couldn't have been done without my Nature's Little Secret Avocado Moisture Cream and Flaxseed Curly Custard. So I'm gonna keep going and I'll be back for real this time with the final look. So these are my day one results, and I will try to come back and show you what the rest of the week looks like for these curls. I'm sure the curls are going to get fuller, or the fro will get bigger. So I will be back to show you what it looks like for the rest of the week, or either I'll insert some pictures at the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.